Well, I'm back out doing some fishing, and it is the calm before the storm. It's Wednesday, November 20th, and we have got our first winter weather warning of the year, and it looks pretty serious. It is supposed to start to kind of mist and sleet a little bit, and then cool off and turn to snow, and we're supposed to get 6 to 10 inches, or at least we're in the 6 to 10 inch zone up here. So we'll see. I would rather we didn't get it, because if you look at how I'm set up here, it is awfully nice not to be fighting snow when you're fishing this time of year. Walking around, drilling holes, super easy. It's pretty great. So hopefully, and I guess a bit selfishly, maybe we'll just get a couple inches and save the big snowfalls for a little later when we've got a little more ice. Well, it's about an hour later, and I just caught a little walleye. I'll throw a picture or a little video clip in there, and you might not be able to see, but it's snowing pretty good. Nice little walleye. Well, here's what I get for wishing that we wouldn't get much snow out of this storm. We got pretty much exactly what they said we were going to get, which is, about 10 inches, maybe 8 to 10. And it's pretty heavy snow. You can already see slush pockets forming out on the lake, which is extraordinarily disappointing. Cool. That's crazy.
It's like Old Faithful.
I know.
Good Lord. The hole in which Olive Run Lake came out through.
That's
Is this alarming?
yeah, I wonder what we should do here.
Do we have flood insurance? Gosh.
Oh my God. Well, it's slowing. No, I'm not sure it's slowing down. It's just maybe I won't be leaving this out here. Well, this is what happens when you get 10 inches of snow on top of 7 inches of ice. Look at that. We drilled a hole to get set up to do some fishing, and well, we knew it would happen, but maybe not to this extent. But we flooded this end around lake, that's for sure.